Okay, welcome friends. In this previous video, we have made this thing using line command, offset, and we have used fillet also to make these round corners. So I will be brushing up the previous content, the content in the previous video. So what we have done, we just took this line command from here. Just a minute. Pressing L, enter, you can simply uh, create any object of any dimension, right? Like I am feeding the dimensions and just making this object. What is the step I am telling you again? Select line command, select the starting point, then give the dimension, enter, then move the cursor in whatever the direction you want to make something. Then press the dimension of that line, enter, then press the dimension of that line, enter, then join the or close the loop, right? This is how you can create the object using the line command. Uh, and how you have uh, given this curve, that is using fillet command. You can see the fillet command is over here, right? You can see this in fillet, chamfer, blend curve. We will be discussing this one also. So into the fillet command, press fillet, and as I told you in the previous video, first select the multiple, then radius. Let's see the radius 1 feet. I want to give 1 feet is okay. 1 feet, enter. Now you can see this is the corner, and as you move the cursor to the corner, it will show you the preview of that, how it will look like once you will do the fillet command, right? And if you want to increase the radius, again you have to go to the fillet command, multiple radius 3 feet. You can see, right? So you can make the this curved line of any radius, right? And how to see the dimensions of the object? Simply, as with the progress of the video, we will be using up all the commands. So to have the dimensions, there is this tab that is dimension. You are having every type of dimension into this one also, right? Or into the annotate command, you can use this dimension box for using any dimension. You can use this one also, okay? So it's up to you. So let's say not this one, linear, right? Now I want to see the radius of these curves, whatever I have created over here. Dimension, radius, just click that one. In whatever the direction you want to see the radius, you can put that one into that direction. See, whenever you have to, like, you want to use any command for multiple times in series, right? So for the multiple points, you have to take the dimensions, right? What you will be doing, like, let's say I want to mark the radius, or I want to mark the radius of these three curves. What I will be doing at one time, I will be selecting that command radius, selecting that, right? Like I have marked something like this, click. Now again I want to take this command. No need to again and again need to go over here. You just press the upper arrow on the keyboard, upper arrow. Okay, it will show you the last command you have used. Then enter. See, radius. Again upper arrow, enter. You can see radius. But if you have taken any other command, let's say linear. Okay, I have selected from this to this point. This is a linear dimension. Again, I want to take the linear dimension. Again, upper arrow, enter. It will show you the recent command you have used. Okay, so this is how you can just mark the dimensions. This is one of the way. There can be many ways, but this one is easiest way according to me. Now, one thing is there. Let's say we are having a line which is at some angle, right? A tapered line or anything. Right now, how to take the dimension of these lines? For the dimensions of these lines at some angles, no need to take this linear dimension. It will give you the wrong value. For that, there is a command that is aligned. Click on the aligned, select both ends of that line. You will see the aligned dimension. Or again, you want to take this dimension or this command, right click on the screen, repeat, aligned. Again, select the both points. It will give you the dimensions, aligned dimensions. If of any curve you want to, let's say, want to see the diameter, you can see that one also. Diameter is designated by uh, phi, the symbol of phi. Okay, phi means the diameter and r means radius. Right, so this is how you can just start making the things. Now you have seen this is line, right? And it will show you if you will keep the mouse onto anything, it will, this AutoCAD will give you some details of that. That what does that mean? There is a command that is polyline, right? Polyline. What is the basic difference in line and polyline, and how you can convert a object made by line into a polyline? There is a very interesting thing. Now let's say this is the box. Rather than making new, I will. Okay, one thing is important, very important when you are making big drawings. Uh, if you in the progress of making drawings, if you are uh, continuously deleting the things side by side, don't do it like this. Like normally what we do, if I want to delete these things, I will be selecting those things, then I will be pressing delete button. So this is wrong. With this, your these things are not completely deleted from the AutoCAD. But it's some of the properties may remain in the file, and it will make your drawing very heavy. So try to make an habit. Select the objects whatever you want to delete. Press E, enter, erase. Right? E and enter. It will completely erase the things from your drawing. Right? So rather than delete, just press E button on your keyboard and then press enter. Now, so this box is created by line command. Okay, so you can see why it is created by line command, because when you select this box, you can individually select each and every line, right? You can see this one. I can individually or separately select the lines. But if you have created a box using polyline, what will be the difference? See, 10 feet, 5 feet, of any dimension. You can create the box of any dimension, doesn't matter. Join the line and escape. You will be out of the command. Now see, when I will hover, just say it clearly, when I will hover the mouse onto this object made by line, I will write over there, like you can see, line box, and this one is polyline box, right? So this box is made by line command and this is polyline. So when you will hover the mouse onto this box, the first one, you can see separately you can select the lines, but when you will be hovering the mouse onto the box made by Polyline or any object made by Polyline, the entire box will get selected. This will be helpful in 3D whenever we are making something in 3D also, which we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. So you can see the entire box is selected, but not in this case. So what to do in this case if I want to make this box as a polyline or as a single piece? Simple, type reg, that is region. This is region command. Again, I will be telling you reg, enter, select the box, enter. Now you can see the box is also same like it is similar to the box created by the polyline. So entire box is getting selected. But if again you have created something using polyline or like reg, you want to go back to the previous setting, you can do like if there is no option of control Z, so you can use explode command. Explode, right? You can use this command, select the box, enter. Now again that box is same. You can go for this box also, right? So whenever you are using the reg command, make sure that object is making a loop, right? And in the polyline, you will see the point from where you will start the line. It will show you a plus. Okay, it is showing plus like where you have to close the loop. Like in any way I am making the box or something, it is making a loop, right? So this is the basic difference between polyline and line, right? You can practice this one uh, into, and if you want to make like offset command, one important thing is offset command. If I want to show the thickness of the walls into this one, using the offset command, for offset command press O, enter. What is the thickness? Let's say 9 inches. See how it is asking O, enter, right? Now what should be the thickness? Offset value 9 inches. Now select the object. Now see, you can easily create the lines. Now one more thing. Let's say this box is created using polyline, right? It is a single. But if you will apply offset into this one, what will be the difference? O, then value, select. In some of the time it is not. Okay, I will tell you in the other part, like you can create the entire box using the offset command. Like the entire object will be created like this, right? Now if you have to remove some of the things, what command we have used? Trim, tr, double enter. Now you will see the red cross is there onto this. Just start and drag it to the lines, whichever the lines you have to delete into this one, like this. Oh, not this one. Okay, so you can practice on your own. Like by mistake I have selected that line, or you can simply do tr, double enter, select the lines, right? In this way, if you are having more precision or accuracy while using the mouse, right? So this is how you can just use some of the commands. You can see the offset command over here also. Okay, you can use this ribbon bar. This is known as ribbon bar. Okay, So you can use this one, or if you have to copy something, select, or you can say copy. For shortcut for copy is CO, for move it is M, right? So you can use over here also move, copy command. I will be selecting move, select this thing, enter. Now you can give the value to what distance you want to move. Let's say 10 feet. You can use this one. Again, we will be trying this one. M, enter, select that object, enter. Now you have to give the displacement, how much displacement you want to give. Let's say 10 feet, enter. Okay, sorry, move, enter, enter, whatever the distance you want, 10 feet, you can move to that distance. If you are using copy command, select that object, enter, how much distance, 10 feet, right? So it will, the command will keep on adding the things, or it will not make you exit from the thing. Now see, one thing is over here. I have selected this object, copy command, select the point from where you will hold this thing. First at 10 feet, value give 10 feet, now 20 feet. See, now 30 feet. So in this way you can use the copy command also, right? After that, we in the next video we are going to use this array command, stretch, scale, right? Now explode command is over here also, right? The other commands are also over here. So one by one we will be using these two things for creating the things. We will be, next video we will be covering circle, arc, okay, rectangle, polygon, center, axis, and like in what way you can create these things, and the hatch command. So for this video I don't want to make lengthy videos over here, but this will be enough for practicing at the second session. So in the next session we'll be covering more content. So if anything is not clear to you, do let me know in the comment section, right? So thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you everyone.